Welcome to this 9th lecture session by Dr. Nivedita, Department of Applied Sciences and Humanities, ITM Gida, Gorakhpur. This session will cover the topic preposition. I am sure whosoever has studied English language at any stage must be well acquainted with this word preposition. But at the same time, this is one of the most misused word in English grammar. We can call it misused or we can call it wrongly used. So, the agenda for today under this topic is to develop a clear understanding about the concept and usage of prepositions. What is a preposition? How to define a preposition? In my view, a preposition is a word which shows the relationship between one thing and another. It links nouns, pronouns and phrases to other words in the sentence. The word or phrase that the preposition introduces is called the object of the sentence. What are the things that prepositions tell us? It may tell us where a thing is in relation to something else. It may tell us, let us first take an example, the juicy red apple was kept on the book. So, this on word tells us the position of that apple. Next, this word also tells the exact location. It may tell us when something is in relation to another event. For example, she refused to leave the house until the postman reached. She refused to leave the house until the postman left. Now, what can prepositions tell you? What else can prepositions tell you related to this? A preposition may tell you the position of something in relation to something else. A preposition may tell you, let us take one example, the gentle brown dog slept beside the fluffy white rabbit. Here in this sentence, beside word tells us the exact position of the rabbit in connection with the dog. Next, if we want to detail it further, we can see that in some sentences it so often happens that it may tell us the direction something is travelling in relation to something else. The example, the gallant horseman was riding along the windy shoreline. Here the gallant horseman's exact position is stated. Here are some more prepositions which we use in our daily practice. Before, very commonly used preposition. We look before and after and pine for what is not. I was standing before he came. Next, behind. My house is just behind Ram's. from. I returned back from Delhi on 1st May. Beneath. The office is just beneath the lift. Next word we can use, we daily use is across. Across the river there is a huge temple. Below. The students who score below 60% are those who don't work hard. Down. Down the gallows there is a old temple. Throughout. Throughout the semester Ram worked very hard. With. I went to Delhi with my parents. Past. We should not brood over past incidents. Among. Ram's name is not among the toppers. Near. Near the bridge there is a shop. During. During the interval period we can relax. Under. Under the shadow we can take rest. So, these are some of the very common prepositions which clearly denote the position of a noun or a pronoun with other part of the sentence. We can sometimes also begin a sentence with a preposition. Example, without fear, the brave child climbed the tall mountain. Under the four-poster bed, the lazy cat was having a snooze. These are some exceptional cases which we are taking as an example. Inside the old house, there were all sorts of strange looking people. Along the hall crawled the large spindly spider. So, when we have to use preposition, how to choose it? What are the situations we need to look for while choosing a suitable preposition for a sentence? First thing I like to suggest is, make sure you choose a preposition which is appropriate according to the grammar rules. Also, check that it makes sense in your sentence, and also try to think of alternatives that may be more interesting but still mean the same. Now, you can use a variety of prepositions in your writing. I am sure now in, about, etc. are not going to trouble you anymore. Thank you, students.